Several years ago, the team sat down and defined 5 core values that every employee at XtremeLabs strives to embody. And here they are. The first one is no fine print. This means that we communicate openly and transparently with our customers and within our organization. We listen first and then listen some more. We believe that solutions only come after understanding, and in order to understand, first we have to listen. We seek to be thoughtful in our responses. It's only too easy to misunderstand, and we want to invest in the solutions that will help. The next core value is choose positivity. Positivity is a choice. We don't have to be, and we don't want to be complainers. Ultimately, we want to be the problem solvers. Execution matters. Results matter, and we strive to live up to our commitments within our internal teams across our organization, and of course with our customers and partners. And finally, learn it all. We want to know about how things work, why they are important, and what we can do to improve. We at XtremeLabs care deeply about learning and technology, and we believe curiosity is an undervalued quality. All of these core values are important to us, and we talk about them as a team often. And if our mission is to unlock human potential by providing tools for workforce development, then these 5 core values are how we plan to get there.